Hello? Good afternoon. We have your daughter down here in the holding cell. She's been shoplifting. We're gonna need you to pick her up, please. She hung up. Okay, let me try again.
Hello, what is it?
Yeah, we need you to come pick her up.
Make she turn there. Me is not picking her up.
Excuse me?
I'm me send her out there for thief. At school, me send her. Oh, she end up in a prison cell. I'll have me problem that again. Since you want go follow back a careless friend, make her friend them pick her up. Make me tell you this, Mrs. Police or officer, whatever your name want be. Me not trust her because she can come back in here and come kill me. Every thief is a liar, and every liar is a murderer. Them all in the same boat and them do the same thing. Me never did know say she a thief. She could have been a murderer too. Officer, lady, me is scared for my safety. And if she come here, me they in a danger. So